What if I told you that you can create cinematic AI video straight from text or images absolutely free and unlimited in 2025? In this video, I'll show you my top 3 free AI video generators that let you turn ideas into movies instantly. Alright, first up, Pika Labs. So this tool is an absolute favorite for text to video generations. You can just open pika.art and describe what you want to create. For example, I'm going to create a video about a cyberpunk city at night with neon lights. So Pika will instantly turn it into a short cinematic video. I actually already done it. This is the prompt, but I don't know why. Nothing went wrong. But this is the example of the video that I created with Pika. Now we've got Runway AI, runwayml.com. So this is one of the most powerful and creative AI video tools available right now. So here you can just get started or click on try now for free. You can just upload an image and let AI turn it into a moving clip. It's perfect for animating still photos or concept art. But as you guys can see, you need to sign up first using Google, Apple, or email. And finally, last one, we have Leonardo AI, one of the newest updates in 2025. So there are Leonardo AI motions that will let you upload an image and instantly generate subtle realistic motions like moving clouds, flowing hair, or shifting lighting. So you can just click on get started, and again you need to sign up first to be able to use it. Here you can see you can just click on video and upload an image that you want to make it dynamic. These are some of the examples of AI video created by Leonardo AI. So that's your quick guide to the best 3 free AI video generators for 2025. Which one are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what kind of videos you'll create. If this was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.